Vitalik Buterin, just unveiled. Lean Ethereum, a 3 to 4 year protocol rebuild to make Ethereum quantum safe and private by default, compared in scope to the merge. This is engineering, not price. The quote, direct from Vitalik, Ethereum will be quantum safe, Ethereum will put users' privacy first, published August 10th, 2026, The Block, CoinGape, Blockonomy, Be In Crypto, Tech Times, same day pickup. 4 things change. BLS signatures, used by validators, replaced with hash-based sigs. KZG commitments, used by blobs, replaced with Stark-friendly hashes. Second, P256, K1, ECDSA. Every account gets a post-quantum signature, and the Merkle Patricia Trie gets a Stark-friendly hash. Why now? Not because Ethereum is broken today, because harvest now, decrypt later. Adversaries are already recording. Encrypted traffic waiting for quantum computers to catch up. The enterprise migration horizon is 7 years. Privacy by default. Every state transition wrapped in a zero-knowledge proof. The transaction's effect on state verified, but the details never exposed on chain. This is the mechanism that allows post-quantum and privacy in the same rebuild. Native rollups, EVM becomes a pre-compile. Every L2 inherits L1 execution guarantees without duplicating cryptographic infrastructure. That's how you hit 10,000 transactions per second on the base layer. Timeline, 3 to 4 years, full post-quantum protection. By around 2029, the merge took 4 years. This rewrite is that scope, but the layer is different. This is the crypto layer, not consensus. The pattern, Ethereum is applying the TLS era pattern to L1 consensus, Cloudflare. 43% of TLS handshakes already hybrid post-quantum, Chrome default, since ML-Chem finalized. AWS, KMS, same. Now Ethereum, same playbook, different problem. The scaffolding is already there. Post-Quantum Cryptography Alliance, Linux Foundation, founded February 2024. AWS, IBM, Cisco, NVIDIA, Sandbox, AQ, all contributing to the standard reference implementations. The primitives are ready. The spec choice is what remains. How this fits the wider arc. EP61 covered credential stuffing. EP63, the DMA. EP65, SSD. This channel has never touched cryptographic protocol design. This is that lane. Purely engineering. No price, no token. EP99. What is Libox? The MIT licensed C library that actually implements the NIST post-quantum algorithms. Watch next, then subscribe. New from zero, every day.